Hey everyone, need to delete your Skrill account permanently? Follow these simple steps to close your account for good. First of all, log into your Skrill account using your email and password. Make sure your account balance is zero. Withdraw any remaining funds or transfer them to another account before proceeding. Now, click on Settings tab, then navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Close Account option. Skill may ask for confirmation or feedback about why you are closing your account. Follow the instructions to confirm the closure. You may receive an email for verification. Complete the process by clicking the confirmation link. Remember, once your Skrill account is closed, it cannot be reopened. Ensure all pending transactions are resolved before proceeding. And that's it. Your Skrill account is now permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.